Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. So soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device do not respond at all. So basically if the screen does not work, you cannot do anything, it freezes and you have no idea what to do, then you can try to force restart it. And basically all you have to do in order to do that is to press the power button. So right now in the position I've got my tablet, it is at the top, you can have it on the left, etc. Just press the power button long enough to see the black screen. So let me try to do it. Let me press it. And as you can see, I've got the option to restart it, but let's pretend I cannot tap on it because it freezed or the screen does not work. As you can see, the screen right now is black totally. I felt the vibration, so I can release my finger. I can see also the developer's logo, which simply means that this device will be restarted in a second or in a minute, whatever. It will be simply restarted, and after that, after turning on, hopefully it will work normally. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to soft reset or force restart your BLACKVIEW Tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.